And last but not least, the 1977 Ford Bronco, matte green over black. 302 cubic inch V8. They all had a 302 cubic inch V8, didn't they? Or most of them did.
Most of
them had 351.
Yeah,
some of them had 6
slant.
Yeah, there's some 6 on. But this one's got some mods to it. The Pro Comp 6-inch lift, C4 automatic transmission, and a Dana 44 rear end.
It's cool.
If you get a chance, check out these and all the other cars we have in inventory at classicautomall.com.